Hey folks, this is Mr. Harvey at Colgan High School coming to you with another Monday message. Today I want to talk about the dollar bill. And this is, again, it's $1 bill. It's 100 pennies, 4 quarters, 20 nickels, however you want to do it, 10 dimes. But that's what this is worth. Now, if I crumble it up, if I step on it, drag it across the floor, whatever I do, I think all of us would look at this and we would agree it's worth the same amount. It might not be as pretty as it was, it might be wrinkled, it's got a lot of creases, you can tell it's been through a lot, but it's worth the exact same amount despite all that. I can still buy the exact same thing with it as I could with a fresh, lovely dollar bill. And that's really important because I think sometimes in life, when we've been stepped on, we've been dragged, we've been pushed through the mud, with trauma, with grief, with relationship issues, whatever happens, it's easy for us to think we're worth less if we don't make the grade, if we don't, get the job. And I just want to say to you that just in the same way that this dollar bill, I can't take the worth away from it, that your worth cannot be taken away. You can certainly, show signs of the struggles that you've been through, of traumas that you've been through, and that does happen. That is true. This dollar bill has wrinkles. Some of us will have scars and wounds from things that we've been through, but your worth does not change. And I promise you that you are worth it. And you are worth, if that's true for this dollar bill, it is infinitely more true for you. And so I hope that you'll see that you're worth it. I hope that you'll treat yourself like you're worth it. And I hope that you'll know that nothing can happen to make you less worthwhile. You are worth it. You are worth love, care, and compassion. And you'll find that here in the Colgan Counseling Office.